Now look at this morning's top stories for you.
Thank you, Big Al. The Tucson fire captain accused of 3 cold case murders has now resigned from the department. David Watson filed his resignation paperwork late Tuesday night. He's accused of killing his ex-wife in the year 2000 and his ex-mother-in-law and a family friend in 2003. Watson had been considered a suspect in their deaths for quite some time. Watson still has to be back in court on Tuesday of next week. New reports suggest that the man who died from a spinal cord injury while in police custody, that's Freddie Gray, might have injured himself. The Washington Post just reports that police documents say another prisoner who was in the back of a police van with Gray says Gray was intentionally trying to injure himself. Police, of course, refuse to comment on this because they say it's a sealed document. Baltimore police are handing their investigation, the preliminary findings of that investigation, over to the attorney's office tomorrow.
All right, and happening right now, a massive fire out of Fresno, California. This is a picture of it, but it is still burning as we speak. It's burning through a yard of power poles. Firefighters are saying the flames are intense and the wind is not helping this morning. So far, no word on any injuries. We will stay on top of that. Okay, coming up, admit it. We all like taking selfies once in a while.
Liz likes taking selfies.
They're fun, kind of.
Constantly.
That's not
This
true.
morning, we tell you about a new device that's offering a helping hand in getting that perfect selfie, and that's not it. It's a different thing.
Yeah.
Next on Good Morning Tucson, you're watching KGUN 9 on your side, 5:55.